Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Mr. TechFox. Today, I'll guide you on how to make Google Alerts accessible from your desktop by creating a shortcut, allowing you to easily stay updated with the alerts you have set up. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing for more tech advice. Alright, first of all, launch your web browser. So I'm gonna open the Google Chrome browser and then you have to type on the address bar google.com/alerts. So I'm gonna type here google.com/alerts and pressing enter. And after then, if you want to create the shortcut of it, normally you have to click on the top right corner's three-dot icon. And if you click on that, you will see some options here. Normally choose cast, save and share. And select from the left side, create shortcut. And you can give it a name. I'm giving it a name here, alerts. And clicking on create button to create the shortcut. And it's gonna create a shortcut on my desktop. And every time if I click on that, it will redirect me automatically to google.com/alerts. And it will save my time. If this helps, please consider subscribing this channel. I think it will help to save your time also. So see you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.